Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. The title of the video is about how we can use Google Nano Banana for creating images with same character consistency. So I will show you step-by-step guide. So first of all, go to Google and search for Google Nano Banana AI. Okay, and here you will get this website in the on the front aistudio.google.com. Okay, you just need to click on this website and open this website. Okay, or you can also go over to this Nano Banana Gemini image generator. Okay, so I think that's the best one if you go to this gemini.google.com because it's a product by the Gemini, Google Gemini. Okay, so here I will scroll down and here you can see that you can create multiple images using this tool. Okay, so let's go to this and try Gemini here. Once the website is open, you can just simply give your prompt and it will create images, and then I will show you how you can get character consistency. Let's select the tool here for create images. Okay, so I will write here create a picture of Indian men wearing black suit and standing in front of marriage hall. Okay, so so then we will click on this next submit option and it will start creating image as per our prompt. So finally we have our picture here and you can see this is the picture. Now we will try to create multiple photos of the same voice. Now we will write create picture of above voice in another background with character face consistency and make sure it looks like exactly the above one and facial features should remain same. And now I will hit the enter button and it will create an image with the same character consistency. So finally we have got our result. As you can see, there's the persons in this image have same character consistency. There is no changing in their faces. So whenever you are writing a prompt for any person, for anything, you just need to make sure that it contains this prompt like facial features should remain same. So that's how you will get a character consistency images in Nano Banana. Okay, I hope you like the video. Please make sure to subscribe our channel. I'll catch you in next video. Thanks for watching.